Hello everyone and welcome! Today we'll show you how to install our replacement mounting tabs for BMW E30 instrument cluster. Mounting tabs for E30 clusters are often broken with no simple replacements found in the market, so we have created this easily mountable repair kit. Great thing about this is that you can do it all by yourself with simple tools: drill, cutting pliers, and a Phillips screwdriver. In our reparation kit you will find everything else you'll need: 2 mounting tabs, 1 for each side, 4 fixing screws, and the drill bit. So let's get to it. This first step requires your cutting pliers. You'll need to cut the excess material as shown in the video. Make sure that the new tabs lay flat on the surface to prevent another break. You can also sand down the material to make it smoother if you're bothered by imperfections on the cluster. Next, prepare your drill. Line up the new tab and position the drill where the holes for screws are. Once you drill the holes, next part is easy. Screw the screws in, check if your new part is in place, and securely fit your cluster back in the dash. We hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to leave us a comment on what you'd like to see next. Drive safely and see you on the next one.